Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here between year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse guys for the adjustable pedals is located, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste money guys, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for a manual in your glove box. And most of the times people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So right here guys, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 2016 model that we'll have right here guys. It may work on other years as well. You will have 2 fuse boxes on your truck. One is behind the car battery in the engine bay, and when you open it, it will look just like this one. You guys have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find, overpriced, expensive. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse box that we need for the adjustable pedals will be in the passenger side right here guys, in the footwell by that kick panel right here. You remove that cover, and once you remove the cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout like that. Let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse guys for the adjustable pedals, where that fuse is located and which fuse we need to check specifically. If you come in that left row right here with the small fuses, by the way, those are double fuses. Something really weird that most people haven't seen in their life, but it's actually 2 fuses in one. But we'll be working in that left side right here. The fuse that we'll need to check for the adjustable pedals guys will be known as fuse number 31. We're talking about a 31 fuse right here, 15 amp fuse. Check this thing out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.